Hey guys, today we are making coconut biscuits on Be Inspired with Mother and Daughter channel. They're very simple and easy and delicious, great for tea time or having it for a snack. So let's get started with the ingredients. So we're using half a cup of butter, half a cup of powdered sugar, icing sugar or confectionery sugar, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1 cup of shredded coconuts and milk required. So firstly, in a bowl, we're going to mix our butter and powdered sugar together. Now we're going to sieve in all our flours, so our baking powder and our all-purpose flour, to prevent any unwanted lumps. Now we're going to add in our shredded coconuts and then combine all those ingredients, and we want a nice cookie dough. Now after that, to get combined into a dough, we're going to add in our milk, just a bit of it first, and then if you need more you can add in more. This is just to combine it all into one dough. Now to handle the dough easily, you're going to grease your hand with a little bit of oil and just get a bit of your cookie dough and roll it up in the palm of your hand. Then flatten it out and you're going to roll it in shredded coconuts. And then place on a tray lined with tinfoil. Make sure you preheated your oven. Now we're going to bake in the oven for 10 to 12 minutes at 180 degrees or 350 Fahrenheit. Now once they have baked, we're going to leave it on a cooling rack to let them cool down completely. So here we have our simple and delicious coconut biscuits. They're very easy to make. You can enjoy with coffee or tea. So be inspired, try new things and conquer amazing skills. And like and subscribe and comment down below and check out other videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.